Welcome to our Outdoor Chef channel. Sometimes we cook in the heart of nature, sometimes by the sea, on a boat, or in the warmth of our home. Meat, fish, vegetables, ... Every dish prepared with love comes together here. Are you ready to discover new flavors and create unforgettable memories with us? Come on, let's make the whole world our kitchen. You can use 4 pieces of medium fat steak or any other meat of your choice. Slice the meat into thin strips, then roll them up and prepare as shown. Make sure to prepare all pieces according to the recipe. If you like what you see, subscribe to our Outdoor Chef channel and turn on notifications to join our adventures. Grease the glass jar where we'll cook the meat with olive oil or butter. The choice is yours. If you prefer, you can use fattier meat and skip adding any oil. Carefully and neatly arrange the meat that we prepared by slicing and rolling it into the glass jar, filling it up to halfway. Arranging the meat this way will help ensure even cooking during the process. Between the layers of meat, you can add bay leaves, hot dried pepper, garlic, whole black pepper, sea salt, whole dried coriander, or any other spices you prefer. The spices will enhance the flavor of the meat and add different aromas. If you've watched our video this far, let us know in the comments which country you're watching from. Your support means a lot to us and keeps us motivated. Place the remaining second layer of meat on top and add your favorite spices again. You can prepare this with different types of meat as well. Don't forget to like, your support means a lot to us. Drizzle a little more olive oil over the meat. This method is quite an old technique. You can also cook it using the boiling method by placing water in a pot instead of the oven. Tighten the lid of the glass jar you prepared. Set the oven to 215 degrees Celsius, but this temperature may vary in different countries, so adjust it according to your oven. Place the prepared meat in the oven. Since it may spill some juice, place an empty tray underneath. Put the meat in the oven and bake at 215 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then lower the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for another. I chose to serve it with fried potatoes, but you can also serve it with mashed potatoes, rice, or vegetables if you prefer. The choice is completely up to your taste. Let the meat rest for 5 minutes after removing it from the oven without opening the lid. Then, open the lid and add the meat on top of the potatoes. I added oregano and red pepper flakes on top, but you can add any spices you prefer. If you've watched our recipe this far, I'd appreciate your like and comment. Stay tuned for the next recipe by following us and turning on notifications. Stay happy and healthy.